Okay, this is the Translating Inequalities number 3 homework. Most of you started it in class. We're supposed to write, solve, and graph each of the inequalities. So the first one says, Boris wants to buy turkey for Thanksgiving so that all 9 family members get the same amount of food. If each family member will get at most 2 pounds of turkey, then how many pounds will he need to buy? Okay, so to figure this out, we're going to say, well, we don't know how many pounds the turkey is going to be, but we know that it's going to be divided by the 9 family members. And the most that each family member is going to get is 2 pounds. So they're going to get less than or equal to 2 pounds because the most is 2, so it's got to be less than or equal to that. So to solve that inequality, we're going to do the opposite of divide by 9, which is to multiply by 9 on both sides. The 9's reduce, and the number of pounds will be less than or equal to 2 times 9, which is 18. So to graph that inequality, you're going to draw a number line. You're going to put 18 in the middle, 2 above, 2 below. My circle goes at 18 and it's going to be closed because of the less than or greater than sign. Then I'm going to try 2 numbers. Is 17 less than or equal to 18? Or is 19 less than or equal to 18? So the only one that's true is the 17. So my solutions are to the left. So to answer the next question, we're going to use that graph. It said Boris found a deal on a 16-pound turkey. Should he buy it or should he look for another? Explain your reasoning. Well, is 16, does that fall in our solution area? Well, it does. This is the shaded area. We'd have to buy a turkey less than or equal to 18 pounds if we want our guest to have less than 2 pounds of turkey. So in this case, our answer would be yes, he should buy it. Because 16 is less than or equal to 18. All right, let's take a look at the next problem. The next one, number 2, says, Jill went to the market and bought X bags of apples for $6 each. So we don't know how many bags, but they were $6 each. If her total exceeded or went over or was more than $42, then what's the minimum number of bags that she could have bought? Well, each bag was $6. We don't know how many bags, so we say $6 times each bag, and she went over or it was more than $42. So to solve, we're going to do the opposite of times 6, which is divide 6. Our x will be greater than 7. Now we're going to make our graph of that. 7 in the middle. Our circle is an open circle. And is 6 greater than 7 or is 8 greater than 7? So we would go this way for our solutions. So our question says, could Jill have bought 6 bags of apples and her total go over $42? Well, our graph says she would have had to have bought 8, 9, 10 or more bags to go over $42. So the answer for that one would be no. She needed to buy 8 or more bags. Okay, so that's all we're looking for that homework. Hope that helps.